Hi, in this video I'll explain you how to make this zippered wallet. It's a little card holder and all the instructions, details, measurements are in this video, but if you need more you can also go to madamsew.com to our sewing and quilting blog. The link is in the description. Use medium weight fabrics. You'll need some for the outside of the wallet and the lining and the divider. Let's start with the main pieces. You'll need 2 pieces for the lining, 2 pieces for the outside of the wallet, then 2 small pieces for the gusset. That is the little piece at the side when the zipper opens. Then 1 big piece for the divider. And that's it. You now have 7 fabric pieces. If the fabric for the divider is a little floppy, then be sure to reinforce it with some interfacing. Fold the divider in half, iron the crease, fuse the interfacing in between the 2 layers of the divider, and then top stitch the top edge. Place the divider on one of the lining pieces, match the raw edges and sew them on the lining piece. Grab the 2 pieces for the gusset and put them right sides facing on top of each other. So the top and the bottom edge, these are the 2 short sides together at a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Turn this right side out and top stitch the top and bottom edge. Fold the gusset in half vertically with the 2 long sides together and top stitch along the fold. Leave the raw edge open and the 2 sides as well. You now have a sewn crease line along the center of the gusset. Clip the gusset in the middle of the short sides of the lining pieces. The sewn pleat should be facing the right side of the lining fabric and the divider pocket you've just sewn onto one of the lining pieces. Sew each side of the gusset to one of the lining pieces. Position your fabrics like this. Pin the zipper wrong side up to the right side of the outer fabric. Sew the zipper onto this fabric piece, but don't sew all the way until the edge. Stop at 3/4 inch and use a zipper foot to attach this piece. Now fold the lining piece without the pocket towards the one with the pocket and then fold it towards the outer fabric that you just sewn. Pin the lining part that is on top to the right zipper tape, right side, and sew it onto the zipper tape. Again, don't sew the top 3/4 inch. You now have 1 outer piece and 1 lining piece that are attached to the same side of the zipper. Place the other outer fabric piece, right sides facing, on the zipper and pin to the zipper tape. Make sure you also pin the lining piece with the gusset to the zipper on the wrong side. The zipper has to be sandwiched in between the lining piece and the outer piece. Sew on the edge with a zipper foot and leave the top part open at 3/4 inch, like you did with the other parts. All fabric pieces are now attached to the zipper. Now fold the zipper around the outer fabric, the top side of the wallet, and pin together, right sides facing. Sew this together and repeat the same step for the other side. Make sure you don't grab the lining by accident. attach the first part of the lining, right side, to the wrong side of the zipper. And for the second part, you'll have to fold the lining and zipper over the first part to do this. Clip or pin this part that you don't want to sew out of the way. Sew this last zipper part together. Fold the wallet with the right sides facing each other, align the raw edges and pin, and then sew the side and bottom part of the pouch together, grabbing all the layers. Clip the corners and cut off excess fabric. You need a bias tape strip of about 10 inches long to attach the binding around the two edges of the wallet on the inside. Pin or clip this bias tape to the seam allowance with 1/2 inch excess at both ends. Fold the tape nicely at the corner and then fold the tape end down to the other side. Do this for both ends. Top stitch through all layers on the bias tape along the bottom and side edge of your wallet. And there you have it, your very own handmade wallet with a zipper. Not only is this wallet functional and practical, it's also unique and it has a personal touch that you won't find in a store. A finished wallet is about 3.5 by 3 inches and it can hold up to 25 plastic cards, similar to credit cards, and also some extra coins, and even more if you have thinner cards. So that's it. I hope you liked this video and you'll subscribe to our channel. If you need more information, you can also go to the Madame So Sewing blog, where you have all the details, measurements, clear pictures, everything you need to make this wallet. See you around.